Hey, what's up guys, this is David with the Success Keeper. I'm doing a little walk here in the park. It's kind of cloudy day, looks like it's gonna rain. Drizzles a little bit, but I enjoy these daily walks, get me out of the house and catch some fresh air. But I wanted to shoot this quick video for you, just a few minutes long. But before I get into it, I want to say that I created this channel to talk about how to make money online and to record motivational and inspirational videos for you guys, because I know how hard it is in the beginning to start, to stay motivated, to be motivated. And a lot of people who start an online business, there is so many opportunities out there, and it's very easy, super easy to get discouraged and fail and quit, because most people don't see results right away. It usually takes a few months, maybe a year, for somebody to start seeing good income coming in. Of course, there are exceptions to the rules. Some people get the mentors right away. Some people have a little more money to invest and they move very, very fast. And that's why I'm here today. I wanna say that if you decided already to start an online business, I highly recommend to get a mentor within the company, preferably if you can. If not, then you can find a good coach online. You can ask. You can even ask within the company that you are affiliated with if they know anyone who would take you under their wings and kind of teach you the ropes. But today in today's video, I wanna kind of touch on the subject how to make money, especially when you are very young, in your teens or in your early 20s. And if you are in your teens or 20s, very good chances are that you are really good on social media. I don't know if I know any teenager or someone in their 20s who doesn't know at least one platform, at least one type of social media to operate it extremely well, and even to manage their own site. So one of the things that I'm gonna recommend today in today's video is, if you are looking to make some extra money online, and for example you are good on Instagram or Facebook or even YouTube, you can contact, for example, local companies in your area, or it could be outside your area where you live too. It could be another state even, and you don't even have to call them. You can look them up, see what kind of reviews they have online, how good is their product, if they kind of struggle, if they have a good reputation or bad reputation, and kind of see how they are doing. And then you can contact them by email if you are shy, if you don't like to talk on the phone with strangers. You can even email them and ask them if they'd be interested in promoting their business on social media. And then you can even open up and manage their own social media account and do promotions, do advertising for them. And for example, like on Instagram, you can just post pictures that are related to their business, you know, maybe some sayings, and then put content under that picture or video. Or you can record videos on YouTube and do stuff like that. So if you are in your teens or early 20s and looking to make some extra income, you know you have the skills already. You just have to step outside of your comfort zone and offer your knowledge to other people or to businesses where you can charge them maybe $1,000 a month, you know, and you can even offer your service for free the first month to show them, you know, that it works, or the first couple of months. And then once they see results and they appreciate your work, then you can have a contract signed for, let's say, you know, you're gonna charge them $1,000, $1,500 a month. Usually goes $1,000 a month, $800, whatever. If you have few accounts like that, you'll be making $5,000 a month. If you have 10 accounts like that, you can make 10,000 a month solid. Okay, so I just wanted to talk about this real quick. Only a few minutes video. Most people have a short attention span nowadays anyways, so that's why I decide to stick with the shorter videos for you guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll be back tomorrow. And if you like my videos, if you like this channel, I'm gonna ask you to hit the subscribe button. If you have any questions or comments or concerns, post them below this video, and I'll be more than happy to answer any of your questions. This was David with the Success Keeper, and I will speak with you soon. All the best to you.